Royal feud: Meghan Markle is breaking rules by rushing royal family very quickly. Meghan Markle is attempting to bring the royal family into the 21st century but is doing it very quickly, which could lead to criticism from royalists, warned expert Claudia Joseph. A royal expert claimed Meghan Markle is modernizing the royal family too quickly and needs to be careful as royalists may consider it too much. Claudia Joseph also believes Meghan is gaining more attention from the press than the Duchess of Cambridge because she's breaking the rules. Speaking on the BBC's Victoria Derbyshire programme, the Royal Insider said, "The reality is that Kate is a very different person. She's very quiet, she's not trying to change the royal family, she's not trying to do anything differently, she's like William. She doesn't like the publicity, she doesn't like to be in the public eye. She has been in the press, there have been lots of stories about her over time. Not so quickly perhaps, but she's not breaking the rules in the same way as Meghan." The author of Kate, The Making of a Princess then added, "The reality is people admire Meghan because she's trying to bring the royal family into the 21st century. But she's doing it very quickly, so royalists are not going to like that because it's too much." It comes as the Duchess' father, Thomas Markle, appeared on ITV Good Morning Britain to reveal he attempts to get in touch with his daughter but is yet to receive an answer from her. During his With Piers and Susanna Reid, Mr. Markle insisted he was hopeful he would see his daughter and the soon-to-be-born grandchild. He said, "I'm still hopeful, I really think there is always a possibility. She's been through quite a lot and it's not an easy task. I think she'll reach out in time and I hope she does." It was recently reported that Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have declined an offer to stay at Kate and William's country pile over Christmas. A royal source apparently told The Sun, "There's not a huge amount of room at Sandringham, so it's quite surprising. Maybe they just want their own space. Things are civil between the couples but they don't spend much time together." The Meghan Markle and Kate Middleton feud rumors may be prompted by Meghan trying to be Diana, an expert claimed. Tom Bower, unauthorized biographer of Prince Charles, said, "The problem is in my view that she is trying to be Diana. She's trying to adopt a new role, and the tragedy of the story is it'll end in the same way unless someone steps in from the palace and says, 'Look, this is the way it's done here.'"